going.
Go get it, go get it, go get it. Here you go, buddy. Good. Sit. Sit. Hey, guys and gals, you know, playing with your dog can be a great kind of exercise while you're home. But you know what? When I was in school, I learned all about science of psychology. That was teaching dogs how to do amazing things. Mozzie, sit. Sit. Ready? Fetch. I know that if he goes and gets the ball, he's getting it right now. He brings it back. I give him a treat. Yeah. He'll learn to do that over and over again. That's a different kind of science. I love scientific method, and I love experimenting. You guys play with your dog and your pets too, and have a great, great time.